check, 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 check. Hello, check. 1, 2, 2, 2, 6, check, check.
This is mustard fish. Plants like, and you can also give two fishes.
So, discussion of
Richard Yakhan, IAS, Registrar of Cooperative Societies, Government of Meghalaya, to deliver the welcome.
Esteemed guests, members of the various cooperative societies, distinguished guests, celebrated the 72nd All India Cooperative Week, an occasion that holds great significance and generations. On behalf of the Cooperative Department and the Cooperative Fraternity in Meghalaya, economic organization. It is a philosophy deeply rooted in our shared values. The theme of this year's Cooperative Week and International Year of Cooperatives is Cooperatives Building. Meghalaya today has cooperative societies spanning across all these sectors, and through these cooperatives, many people have been able to achieve extraordinary things through unity and shared effort. As we celebrate the Day of Cooperatives, we are reminded once again that there are challenges and opportunities which lie ahead for us. As we know, in Meghalaya, we face the issue of limited access to finance institutions, inadequate managerial capacity, lack of technology adoption, and low market linkage. In this rapidly changing economy, it is vital that our cooperatives become more professional, transparent, and self-reliant. The government is playing a supportive role through various schemes for capacity building, digitization, and infrastructure development. But the real transformation will come from within, when cooperation and the cooperators themselves embrace innovation, accountability, and entrepreneurship. The IY
Minister in charge, Cooperation, Government of Meghalaya. A huge round of applause once again. The next, a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Livelihood skills. Congratulations to Yatrayam Foundation, Multi-Purpose Cooperative Society Limited. Act that achieved a net profit of more than 2 lakhs. Congratulations to Felicitas P. IDCS Limited. Sector. Heartiest congratulations to the Northwest Primary Farmer Producer Cooperative Society. Last but not least, the third state award goes to Dondimi Multi-Purpose Cooperative Society Limited, registered and generated profitable income through mustard oil production. Congratulations, Dondimi Multi-Purpose Corrective Society.
Here our MD of Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank, but Nongri, my old friend, nice to see you after a very long time, and official of Meghalaya Basin Management Agency, MBMA, the distinguished guests, respected dignitaries, my fellow operators, the member of different cooperative society of the states, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear friends. Truly, it's a great honor today, to join this program as we celebrate the 72nd All India Cooperative Week 2025. I believe this will be a week of pride, a week of purpose and promise for every member of the vast India cooperative family, and especially to the cooperative of our state of Meghalaya. As we all aware that every year we celebrate this week, the week of cooperative society, between the 14th of November to 20th of November, as one of the efforts from the government to recognize the efforts and the contribution of the cooperative society in the state as well as in the country. The 72nd All India Cooperative Week in this year, it's so important because it's also coincide with the International Year of Cooperative, which was passed by the resolution of the United Nations General Assembly on June 19, 2024, to highlight the role of the cooperative in economic growth, social inclusion, and sustainability. This week will be very long, and I believe it will be very exhaustive for the officer of the cooperative of the cooperation, but I congratulate for all the initiative that you have taken. And as we are celebrating a nationwide scale, is being celebrated with the cooperative and with the aims and the vehicle which we call Atmanirbhar Bharat, or we call it a self-reliant India. This particular theme is underscore the vital role of realizing the vision of Atmanirbhar, particularly in the sector of agriculture, rural credits, micro-enterprise, women empowerment, promoting of self-reliance, and contribution to inclusive and sustainable development. The Ministry of Cooperation, the Ministry of Cooperation is a union ministry under the government of India, which was created on the 6th of July 2021 with the vision statement of Sanskar Se Samriddhi, which means prosperity through cooperation. The ministry works to strengthen the cooperative at the grassroots level, working to streamline the process for the ease of doing business for a cooperative, and also to enable the development of multi-state cooperative society, which we call MSCS, and modernizing the sector through the computerization and expanding the access of service by leveraging primary agriculture credits, which we call PSC, PACS, as Common Service Center, CSCS. It is also recently launched the National Cooperative Policy of 2025 to guide the cooperative movement over the next decade with a vision of achieving prosperity through the cooperation. Therefore, my dear friend, I strongly believe with the formation of this Ministry of Cooperation and its various initiatives targeted to strengthen the grassroots level of cooperative sector is now empowered to play a significant role towards the building, driving a vehicle for Atmanirbhar Bharat, or a self-reliant India, which is aimed at promoting economic self-sufficiency in India and reducing its dependence on the external sources. And in our state, the Primary Agriculture Credit Society, PSC, comprised of more than 500 in the states, including the newly registered Integrated Village Cooperative Society, or which we call the IVCS, formally recognized as PSCs, form a backbone of the cooperative sector, which is now further empowered to engage multi-purpose cooperative society, multi-purpose primary agriculture credits society, MPSCs. And with all this new development, with the state in the state of Meghalaya and in the country as well, we have gone further, and with the new policy, the adoption of the model bylaw to govern the function and the operation of the PSCs, ensuring transparency, accountability, and the effectiveness of management. strengthening of PAC through the computerization, which the work is still in progress in many of the area, in many of the society, which with the efforts of the officer, with the efforts of the cooperation department, some of the PACs and some of the society just got the sanction recently for the project of computerization and to make it easy and to make it online. Besides support by the state government through the producer link schemes with the National Cooperative Development Corporation, Meghalaya has successful dairy sector under cooperative, which are more relevant with the recent announcement made by the Ministry of Cooperation to the cattle besides milk for their sustenance and profitability. And